Okey, Papa Gomo kata semalam Trump tak datang. Dia dapat maklumat Trump tak datang. Dia dapat maklumat tu macam mana? Trump message dia ke? Trump call dia ke? WhatsApp dia ke?
Saya dapat information Presiden US Trump tidak jadi datang ke Malaysia. Bermakna Trump dia tak datang Malaysia. Anwar beria nak jemput dia, dia tak datang. Malah information yang saya dapat, Anwar call langsung dia tak nak jawab.
Tak lama pun.
You still sign over
Malaysia was involved actually. So Malaysia helped us. One of the reasons I'm going to Malaysia is they were very much involved in the whole thing, Thailand and all that. I told the leader of Malaysia, who's a very good man, I said, I think I owe you a trip. And that's why we're stopping in Malaysia for that reason. Malaysia was very...
Jom kita tengok bagaimana Trump begitu mesra dengan PMX. Aduh, ramailah terbakar ni. Ramailah akan cipta fitnah baru pula. So, tapi memang kita rasa bangga sangatlah tengok Trump satu siap berjoget-joget. Berjoget-joget seronok. Itulah hebatnya Perdana Menteri yang kita ada hari ini. Okey, alhamdulillah. Okey, itu negara besar tu. Berkecalang-calang. Dia punya bodyguard dia pun berapa ramai keliling dia tu ya, walaupun ya.